Guys, picture this. You're about to hop on a long flight. Noisy kids around, engine humming, someone rustling bags in the back, and all you want is peace. Well, what if I told you that you don't need to drop Sony or Apple tons of cash to get that? Well, today I've got a pair of headphones that promises flagship level performance at half of the price of the others. These are the Edifier ES850NBs. Are they a hidden gem or are they just another pretender? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the ES850NBs from Edifier. Now, if you don't know Edifier, well, you know what? They've been on a roll lately. Speakers, earbuds, and now these over-ear headphones. On paper, the ES850NBs tick nearly every single box. High-res audio certification, LDAC support, 45 dB hybrid ANC, 92 hours of battery life, and a sleek foldable design. Oh, and you know what? Price-wise, they're sitting around the £150 mark, sometimes less when on sale. Honestly, it sounds too good to be true. So you know what? I've got this pair and I've been testing them for a couple of weeks, and here is my full breakdown. Now, before we get into it, Edifier reached out and asked me to take a look at these cool headphones and give them an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So guys, open up the box and we have a surprisingly nice hard shell carry case, compact, travel ready, and something I'd expect to see on more expensive equipment. Put that down for a sec as we have the paperwork. Now there's a lot of it, so it's definitely worth a read. Now guys, open up that case and inside you get the headphones all nicely folded. You get a USB-C charging cable, and guys, looking at the headphones themselves, and I've got to say, first impressions, they feel premium in the hand. Light, but with a reassuring sturdiness thanks to the steel headband. And you know what? The finish is sleek, understated. They look a bit like Marshall ones from the side, but without that branding. And the nice thing is, yes, they fold away flat. So for traveling, perfect. Now guys, these are headphones. So let's talk about the most important thing first. And that is the sound. You get a 40mm titanium coated driver, and honestly, wow, the sound signature is balanced and nothing feels over boosted. The bass isn't that boomy. I mean, it's not, you know, like subwoofer in your head beating your brains out kind of sound, but it's clean and detailed, and you'll find all those subtle rumbles without drawing out the vocals. And the mids, well, I tell you what, these are where these shine because the vocals are clear and sit perfectly in the mix. I mean, I noticed details in older tracks like backup harmonies and things like that I'd never ever picked up before. And also guys, highs are crisp, sparkly, maybe a touch sharp at high volumes, but you know what? Nothing that you can't tweak in the Edifier app. And of course, there's an app. Overall, they deliver a dynamic, engaging sound that works across genres. And yes, LDAC support really does make a difference if you've got the right device. Samsung users, yes, happy days. iPhone users, And when it comes to active noise cancellation, guys, Edifier claims up to 45 decibels of cancellation. And while it's not quite Sony or Bose level, it's genuinely impressive. It knocks out low-end hums. I mean, I can hardly hear myself speak right now. Airplane engines and road noise really well. There are 4 ANC modes in the app, But honestly, I just left it on high and forgot about it. Now guys, the other important thing with headphones is of course battery life. And this is where these absolutely crush the competition. Battery life up to 92 hours without ANC and 53 hours with ANC on. I mean, that's insane. You could fly around the world a few times before ever needing to charge them. And even if you forget, a quick 15-minute top up gets you 11.5 extra hours. Also guys, connectivity is rock solid too, thanks to Bluetooth 5.4 and multipoint pairing, meaning you can switch between your phone, laptop, tablet or whatever seamlessly. And of course guys, my third go-to for headphones is comfort. And I have to say, they're surprisingly light at just 265 grams, and these memory foam ear pads with soft leatherette really make them cozy for long sessions. Now guys, a few nice touches. You get touch controls on the ear cup. You get customizable EQ in the Edifier app. Like I said, you get multi-point connectivity and you get a tap to chat transparency mode. Now it works quite well, although it does take a couple of seconds to kick in. And guys, call quality is solid too. Thanks to the AI noise reduction, in a quiet room, voices sound crystal clear. In noisier environments, you still sound natural, though not flawless. But again, for the price, it's way better than I expected. So guys, there you have it. The Edifier ES850NB headphones. I mean, are they worth it? Absolutely. You're getting high-res sound, very, very capable ANC, ridiculous battery life, and a premium travel case, all for around £150. I mean, yes, the build quality could be a little bit more polished, and the ANC doesn't quite hit the Flagship products, but for the price, these are one of the best value over-the-ear headphones you can buy right now. If you want peace, quality and endless battery life without burning a hole in your wallet, these should be on your shortlist. And guys, I'll leave any product links and any discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Edifier for sending me these cool and capable headphones to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.